Wait till you see what we saw next. Day 3 was something truly special. We woke up to fog, but slowly, the ship navigated through icy waters with chunks of blue and white floating all around us. Has the captain not seen Titanic? I thought you were supposed to stay away from icebergs. There's a stillness to glacier country that's hard to describe. Everything slows down. The water is silent. And then, all of a sudden, the glacier comes into view. Massive, ancient, alive. We were lucky enough to take a smaller boat excursion that got us closer to the face of the glacier. From the water, the cruise ship looked tiny, and the glacier absolutely massive. And then it happened. A thunderous crack echoed across the bay. Chunks of the glacier calved into the ocean. It was raw power, and something I will never forget. We stayed out on the water for what seemed like hours. As we made our way back, there was something else just as memorable. Wildlife, seals and sea lions resting close to the glacier. And the captain and crew even spotted something else. A moose walking along the shoreline near the snowy mountain. You never know what you're going to see out here. As we made our way back to the ship, I kept thinking, this is the kind of experience you don't just witness, you feel. A rare moment that reminds you of how wild the world still is. Mad love if you made it this far. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next time as we make our way to Juneau, the capital of Alaska. Maybe there's another glacier ahead.